everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Statisticians Hub. Today we will be discussing Kolmogorov-Smirnov Two-Sample Test in SPSS. The Kolmogorov-Smirnov Two-Sample Test is a non-parametric test used to test whether two independent samples come from the same distribution or follow the same distribution. This test is sensitive to all characteristics of a distribution, including location, dispersion, and shape. As with one sample test, cumulative distributions are being compared, but here two sample distributions are being compared rather than a sample distribution and a theoretical distribution as in one sample test. Assumptions. The null hypothesis is both samples are randomly drawn from the same set of values. The two samples are mutually independent, the scale of measurement is at least ordinal, the test is only exact for continuous variables. It is conservative for discrete variables. Hypothesis testing. The two-sided test uses the maximum absolute difference between the CDFs of the distribution of the two samples, and the test statistics is given by dn equal to supremum of x modulus of fn x minus f of x, where fn x is the observed cumulative distribution function of the first sample and f of x is the observed cumulative distribution function of the second sample. Now we set up our null hypothesis first, h0 such that both samples come from the same distribution. Against the alternative hypothesis, h1, both samples do not come from the same population.
So now let's go to SPSS and analyze the data. Now here we have the two variables, gender and emotional intelligence of 39 male and female, and we will analyze whether the emotional intelligence of male and female come from the same distribution. For testing our hypothesis, first we go to analyze, then here we select non-parametric tests, then go to legacy dialogues. Here we select two independent samples. In the test variable list we take emotional intelligence, and in the grouping variable list we take the gender. Then we have to define the groups. Here in the first group we take 0, and in the second group we take 1, and then click continue. Then we have to uncheck Mann-Whitney U and check Kolmogorov-Smirnov. Then we go to exact and check exact and press continue. Then we go to options and click on descriptives and click continue, and then we click on OK. Now the output will appear on the output window. In the first table we see that the descriptives are given, the mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. In the second table, here are the frequencies, the number of female, male and total. In the third window we see that the value of Kolmogorov-Smirnov test is 1.355 and the significant value is 0.051, the exact significance value is 0.30. The value of the two sample Kolmogorov-Smirnov test is 1.355 with corresponding value as 0.05, as the p-value is greater than 0.05, so there is no evidence against the null hypothesis, and we conclude that the emotional intelligence of male and female employees are identically distributed. So that's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Statisticians Hub to view more content like this.